Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw Goku SSJ from start to finish. So let's start the tutorial. This is a step by step tutorial. So let's start.